So what I thought about the challenges, yeah, crazy. So now first things first, the names are like, they seem so different from so it's confusing for a bit, but once you get to learn what the game was, it was actually fun, exciting to see, to actually see what the games were. And the fact that you was using just simple things, just household things. It wasn't anything complicated. These are games that you can even play at your house if you wanna, you can just, set some stuff up. Yeah, but I really didn't expect any of them to be that crazy though. There's a reason why it's called Metshameko Madness, and that was literally that. So the most challenging game, yeah, I think I did the one where you place the cookie on your forehead and you have to take it to your mouth. Yo. So yeah, I realized that my face muscles, I don't know how to use them properly. And then there was the crazy one that you put your hand inside the thing. Inside the box, the gross box. So that was hectic to deal with. That was very, very scary, especially because I'd seen Lungo's reaction to putting his hand into that thing. I was like, yeah, this thing is a workout.